to use double exposure in Snapseed. From this to this. First, open your photo with Snapseed app on your mobile phone. So we have 4 photos here. I have additional 3 photos of sun rays here, which later we will use it on our double exposure. Then select the main photo. Start analyzing the photo. To adjust the brightness and color saturation of the photo, go to Tools, then select Tune Image. Select first the saturation and set it to -100. Without the saturation we can see clearly the highlights and shadows. Continue to slide until you are satisfied with the brightness. Then select Highlights to adjust the bright element in the photo. Then select Contrast to adjust the number of shades in the photo. Then select Shadows to increase subtle those dark areas. Then select Saturation to return the color of the photo. Adjust until you are satisfied with the color. Then tap Check button to finish with your adjustments. Then go to Tools, select Portrait. Click Try Harder to detect the face. Now set all to 0 except the face spotlight. Start adjusting the face spotlight to subtle value. Then adjust the skin smoothing and eye clarity. Check the before and after icon on top. Then tap Check to finish. The Dodge tool and the Burn tool. Lighten or darken areas of the image. Select -5, and start to darken the shadow areas. Continue brushing the shadows area until you can see subtle change. Tap the eye icon to view a preview of the brush strokes in orange. If you are satisfied with the change, click the check mark to finish. By holding and pressing the screen, you can see the before and after. Select 10 or 5 and start to lighten the highlight areas. Continue brushing the highlight areas until you can see subtle change. If you are satisfied with the change, click the check mark to finish. By holding and pressing the screen, you can see the before and after. Next is double exposure. Go to Tools and select double exposure. Tap the Add Image icon. Select the photo you want to add. Let's try this image. Find the best location. If you don't like the sun rays image, you can cancel, then select another image for double exposure. Go to Tools and select double exposure again. Now select the best photo that matching your image. Find the best location. For this photo I will put on top left corner. Then choose which blending modes that complement your image. Then try to adjust the opacity to add or lessen the value of blending mode you selected. For this photo I want to use the default blending mode. Then adjust the opacity until you are satisfied with the results. By holding and pressing the screen, you can see the before and after. Select curves. In the curves adjustment, you adjust points throughout an image's tonal range. Initially, the image's tonality is represented as a straight diagonal line on a graph. When adjusting an RGB image, the upper right area of the graph represents the highlights, and the lower left area represents the shadows. As you add control points to the line, and move them, select the Tune Image tool, and select Brightness. Slide left to decrease or right to increase brightness. Then Contrast. Then Saturation. Then adjust shadows. Tap to check icon to finish. Then we want to add a dreamy quality look to the image by selecting the Glamour Glow icon. Adjust the glow, saturation, and warmth based on your feeling, but don't apply too much. Then tap the check icon to finish. Select Tools. Select Dodge and Burn Brush. Adjust the Dodge and Burn tool to +5. Brush those highlights to lighten more. Brush every detail of highlights. See the before and after results. Then we enhance the details to make the subject pop. Go to Tools and select Details icon. Swipe vertically on the image to select between structure or sharpening. Then, swipe horizontally to enhance. See the before and after results. Readjust the details. Then we are done. By holding and pressing the screen you can see the before and after. After. Before. After. Okay guys, really simple episode for today. Don't forget to practice with yourself. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you did not know about double exposure, now you do. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe.